All right, April 23rd, 2024. Let's see what happened. I felt a little more comfortable and confident today with the market going up. And one of the things I got to remember is trying to make sure I understand the daily direction if you can. And after the big giant moves down, and we had in the last few days, and then we had a little inside bar yesterday, today was green and coming in green. And what I liked about that, it's still bearish on the daily chart underneath the 20 and the 50 EMA, but it's above the 200. So it's pinched into that danger zone on the daily chart, but it was turning green, and it was a possibility that it would stay green. And I was looking at the 60-minute chart. Where was price in relation to the 50 and 20 EMAs on the 60-minute chart? And they were above, and they put in this interesting looking bullish candle right here. And that's when I got very interested in going long right in that area and looking for the breaks and looking for liquidity sweeps up above, which it did. But the 60-minute chart and the direction, the moving averages were pointing up, and price was above them. Price came above the moving averages here. And you can see there was not really much bullish activity going on that. And this was just a much better consolidation. And in combination with the bullish candle, I felt comfortable with it. And that gives you confidence. Not the kind of comfort that's, irresponsible, but that brings confidence. So, looking at the 10,000 tick chart as well, everything was above the moving averages, above all the moving averages on all my time charts. All right, all the tick charts that I use. And let's take a look at the 5-minute chart. Yep, the 5-minute chart was looking good here too. 5-minute chart was looking bullish. The 15-minute chart was looking bullish. Everything had that feel. And so we went long, and I trade on the 2000 tick chart these days. And I basically just still did my demo account. I did a trade in my real live account, and I did a trade in the Apex One. And so we had a tiny little trade on that. Not much though, unfortunately. I'm still nervous, but I'm looking forward to taking some more trades. No, I had 2 trades in it. Good. They were small winners. So I only made $11 in that thing, as you can see right there in the far right, and up 264 on the simulator. I don't know. I got to get past this psychological thing about trading with the Apex funded evaluation accounts are not real money, but I look at them like they're real money, man, because if I pass them, I can start getting payouts from it, and I need to get money to pay my bills. I don't want to treat it, with the simulator, I think I do trade differently. I don't want to say that I do, but I do. I have to admit, I take riskier trades. I'm not as fearful in the simulator, and I really need to start transitioning some of that into the Rithmic Apex funded account challenge that I have, and not be so scared. So anyway, let's take a look at the trades we did today on the 2000 tick chart, and hopefully we can see where I might have been able to translate some of that stuff in the real account. And you can see right here on the 2000 tick chart, this is the simulator. We had our first trades down here when I noticed, hey, let's take a chance. Things are looking bullish. So we had 1 trade, 2 trades. Here's 3 trades, 4 trades. And I even bought way up here at the top looking for the sweep. It didn't sweep. But what I did was I added down here, and boom, boom, sold when it popped back up. So I closed trade 5 up here. Trade 6 was a quick scalp. Trade 7 was a quick scalp. Trade 8 was a quick scalp. And now you might be, why didn't you hold longer? That's a good question. I'm hoping to do that in the future. Right now, I want to get, taking small little profits like this seems to be working pretty good for me. And if I can do that, 7, 8 times a day, then it's like holding for a big move anyway. But everybody's different. And so that's where we're at in the simulator. I'm hoping that we will be able to translate this in the Apex account. But that's the trades for today. That's the logic, the emotions, the thinking, the perspective, and hopefully we'll get better and better as time goes on, Lord willing. All right, take care.